Let us go to the market. Let us go to the market.
Yes, I am very excited. Yes, I am very excited.
The market is very busy today. The market is very busy today.
Yes, I can see that. Yes, I can see that. Look at all these stalls. Look at all these stalls. There are so many colors. There are so many colors.
I love the market sounds. I love the market sounds.
Me too, it feels lively. Me too, it feels lively. Let us find the bookstall. Let us find the bookstall. Yes, I want a new book. Yes, I want a new book.
The bookstall is over there. The bookstall is over there.
I can see many books. I can see many books. Look at this colorful book. Look at this colorful book. Oh, this book looks lovely. Oh, this book looks lovely. What is this story about? What is this story about? It is about a brave girl. It is about a brave girl.
That sounds like a good story. That what a Pax Halfpudding. That's like a good story. That sounds like a good story.
Yes, I want to buy it. Yes, I want to buy it. Yes, I want to buy it.
Let us buy this book. Let us buy this book.
Thank you, Oliver. You are kind. Thank you, Oliver. You are kind.
You are welcome, my friend. You are welcome, my friend.
I am very happy now. I am very happy now.
Let us look at the flowers. Let us look at the flowers.
These flowers smell so sweet. These flowers smell so sweet.
I like the yellow flowers. I like the yellow flowers.
I like the pink flowers too. I like the pink flowers too.
Let us buy some flowers. Let us buy some flowers.
Yes, that is a nice idea. Yes, that is a nice idea.
These flowers are for you.
These flowers are for you. Oh, Oliver, they are beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Oliver. They are beautiful. Thank you, Oliver. They are beautiful.
Let us look at the fruit. Let us look at the fruit. Let us look at the fruit. Let us look at the fruit.
The apples look very fresh. The apples look very fresh.
I like these red apples. Like these red apples. I like these red apples.
Let us buy some apples. Let us buy some apples.
Yes, we can share them. Yes, we can share them.
I am feeling very hungry. I am feeling very hungry.
Let us eat an apple now. Let us eat an apple now.
Yes, this apple tastes sweet. Yes, this apple tastes sweet.
The market has good food. The market has good food.
Yes, I love this market. Yes, I love this market. Yes, and beautiful flowers too. Yes, and beautiful flowers too.
Today was a great day. Oh, today. Today was a great day.
Yes, a truly great day. Yes, a truly great day.
Let us walk back home. Let us walk back home.
Yes, I am ready now. Yes, I am ready now.
I carry the flowers, Emma. I carry the flowers, Emma.
Thank you, you are helpful. Thank you, you are helpful.
I enjoy helping my friend. I enjoy helping my friend. I will see you tomorrow. I will tomorrow. I both pay. I did. I will see you tomorrow.
Yes, see you at college. Yes, see you at college.
Goodbye, Emma. Take care. Goodbye, Emma. Take care.